Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Friday 16th October 2020 and there is a newly opened park. So we are going to check it out. It's called Shees Park. So yeah, now let's go check it out. So guys, this is in Khorfakkan and it's nearby the Wadi Shees. We never went to Wadi Shees and we heard about the new Shees Park, so we thought we'll go check it out there. Next time we'll go to Wadi Shees, okay? Hey, I want to also share you something, and I've been recently addicted to this channel called Mo Vlogs, and you may already know this, but their videos are so fun. And I'm also part of their yo-yo squad because they start their video like yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I will be giving the link in the description down below and you can see the beautiful desert. On the way to the Shees Park, we saw some herd of camels and the desert was beautiful. See guys, can you see the camels? Right there, can you see? Now the view has changed. You can see the mountains and we are close by the place, Shees Park. The drive to Khorfakkan is a very refreshing drive. It's just 1.5 hours from Dubai and the views are amazing. There are lots of hairpin bends and you feel like you're in another country. This is a new route in Khorfakkan. Now we are going to enter the longest tunnel in Middle East. This tunnel has reduced the travel time to half. It reduced the travel time from 90 minutes to 45 minutes from Sharjah. The path of the new road is laid through the Hajar Mountains. It's rather unusual construction of its kind. Khorfakkan is one of the most popular destinations for divers in UAE. They can take the advantage of the newly constructed highway. So guys, we reached the destination and so this was the first day and it was a very big rush, so we had to park our car somewhere and we should walk. So yeah, you can see it was very big rush, so we parked our car there and we are walking there now. It's so beautiful. We have like a slide or something, we just walked. It was so crazy. Shees Park. Shees. So guys, can you see the waterfall there? It's so cool. I love it. So guys, I wanted to play in the water, so my uncle helped me to get in there because the rocks are like blong 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 and the water was really cold. It was freezing cold. can see, guys, Isha also joined me and it was pretty cold. Now you can see me walking in that bricks, or I don't know what it's called, but I think it's bricks. As you can see, I'm walking. And my baby brother is trying to imitate like me. You can see like a shell waterfall. It's so cool, guys. Now guys, we are climbing up the stairs. I didn't thought it was this large from the down. I could see it was very small, so I got scared. But now I was not scared. It was so beautiful to walk up the mountains. I was climbing actually the mountains. Guys, it's more harder than I thought. Isha and everyone didn't reach because she's a slowpoke. And let's get to the top. Let's go.
Guys, I'm resting. It's has been 5 minutes I'm walking like this. Where are Isha?
I don't know where they are.
But there is a play area there. It's so nice when the lights keep on.
Isha? Guys, it's so small. I can't even walk. I'm shivering.
Yep.
How we can go? Scared. Such a nice place and I love it, and we are at the top and now we are going down. Like there we can play, so I'll show you and play, because guys there is so slippery right there and everyone is like can't get up. It's so slippery there. Slippery. Don't go, Isha. See, it's so slippery, guys. So we reached the top of the mountain and the view was really awesome. The weather was chill and we enjoyed it. We stood there and played for a while. We enjoyed the view. Guys, now we are heading back home. You could see we are climbing down the mountains and we played I guess the play area. We played down for some time. As you can see, we are playing. Me and Isha are playing in the seesaw. Isha, did you have fun playing the seesaw?
Yeah.
So guys, there was a zip line there, but I was scared because there was no social distancing and it was a very big rush. And I got scared because the coronavirus things and all. I only went in the seesaw and the slide. That was fun. Now guys, we are going back home. Bye!